Hello, learners. My name is Kira. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to tell you about my daily routine. I'll speak slowly and clearly so you can practice your English listening and speaking. Are you ready? Let's start. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. My alarm rings and I turn it off. Sometimes I want to sleep more, but I know I have to get up. I sit on my bed, stretch my arms, and go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth, wash my face with cold water. It really helps me wake up. Sometimes I take a shower if I have time. Then I go to the kitchen to make breakfast. I usually eat toast with butter and eggs, but sometimes I eat cereal or fruit. I always drink a hot cup of green tea. It helps me feel calm and ready for the day. While I eat, I listen to music or check my phone. I like reading messages or checking the weather. After breakfast, I go back to my room and choose what to wear. Usually, I wear jeans and a simple shirt. If it's cold, I add a sweater. Then, I brush my hair, check my bag, and make sure I have my phone, keys, and wallet. Finally, I put on my shoes and leave the house. I walk to the bus stop. It's only 5 minutes from my home. I usually take the bus to work. The ride takes about 20 minutes. Sometimes the bus is full, but I usually find a seat. I like sitting by the window, watching the city pass by. When I arrive at work, I say good morning to the security guard, then take the elevator to the 3rd floor. That's where my office is. I start work at 9 o'clock. My job is busy, but I really enjoy it. I check emails, write reports, talk to clients, and have short meetings with coworkers. At 12:30, I take my lunch break. I usually eat sandwiches, fruit, or rice with vegetables. Sometimes I go out to buy something small. I eat lunch with my coworkers. We talk about movies, the weather, or weekend plans. It's a nice time to relax and laugh a little. After lunch, I feel fresh and ready to continue working. I usually finish around 5 p.m. I turn off my computer, pack my bag, and say goodbye to everyone. On the bus ride home, I sometimes listen to music or just look out the window and think about my day. When I get home, I take off my shoes, hang my bag, and change into comfortable clothes, sweatpants and a soft hoodie. It feels so nice to relax. Around 7 o'clock, I start making dinner. I like simple meals, pasta, rice with vegetables, or salad with bread. Cooking helps me feel calm. I play soft music and enjoy the moment. After dinner, I wash the dishes and clean the kitchen. A tidy space helps me relax. In the evening, I enjoy some free time. Sometimes I watch a movie or call a friend. Other times I write in my journal or listen to music. It's my favorite time of the day, quiet and peaceful. At around 9:30 or 10 o'clock, I get ready for bed. I brush my teeth, wash my face with warm water, and change into my soft, light blue pajamas. Then I read a few pages of a book. It helps me relax. Before I sleep, I think about my day. What made me happy? What can I do better tomorrow? Finally, I turn off the light, close my eyes, and say to myself, good night.